have a 2018 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. This car does come with the M Performance styling kit, which includes this front splitter just here. We've also got the black kidney grille and LED headlights. Making our way around to the side, you'll see we've got four 19-inch black unmarked alloy wheels, complemented by the blue M Sports brake calipers. We've also got a charging port just down there, if you can see that. This vehicle is a hybrid, so you will have ultra low running costs when you're on the move. We've also got privacy glass, shark fin antenna, and the extended side skirts either side. Around the back, we've got the spoiler lip just there, as well as the black rear diffuser. We've also got front and rear parking sensors. At this point, I think it's fair to say the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents, or scratches. We'll now go inside. At this point, I will say the car does come with a BMW full warranty until October 2021. We have got a full leather interior, as you can see just here. Fold down armrest with two good sized cup holders, 12-volt connectivity, storage behind the front passenger and driver, storage down here, electric windows, leather and blue stitching, as well as the integrated speakers. Coming into the front, we've got the full leather interior again, with the blue stitching and the BMW colours just there. On the doors here, we've got electric windows as well as electric wing mirror control. We've also got premium uprated Harman Kardon speakers, as well as a bit of extra storage. Getting into the vehicle, we have got automatic lights just down here. Start the car up, foot on the brake, press the button. We have got a digital dash here, as you can see. I'll just flick through the menu for you now. You can see the vehicle has covered just over 29,500 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dashboard. We have got a multifunctional steering wheel with different functions like speed limiter, cruise control, volume controls and phone options as well. We've also got the paddle shift just here for taking manual control. On the right we've got automatic lights. I'll just show you a quick display of this digital dash as well. Put the vehicle into sport, the screen will change. There we go. Making our way into the middle at the infotainment system. Show you some of the settings we've got here. We've got DAB radio, as well as CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and USB. We've also got phone connectivity and a sat nav. On the menu here as well, I'll just show you another nice feature this vehicle does have, the ambient lighting. So on here we can change the different colours of the lighting, which will light up around here, as you can see in that picture just there. Can't see it right now, but in the dark it looks incredible. Moving down, we've got the stereo controls as well as dual climate control. The front passengers do have heated seats. We've also got air conditioning. If I put the vehicle into reverse, you'll also see we've got front and rear parking sensors, which are working perfectly. As we come down, we've got the control wheel just here for the infotainment system, as well as different modes. We've got Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, as well as traction control and control for the parking sensor beeping. You can turn it on and off just there, as well as the electric handbrake. We've also got a leather armrest here, which doubles up as storage. Another quick look at these seats. The vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive finance, and has also been freshly MOT'd, serviced, and is HPI clear. That's all from me. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of a 2018 BMW 530e M Sport. The purpose of this video today is to show you that everything works exactly how it should. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's functions and show you that they work as they should. For example, cruise control. All you have to do to activate it is press this button, and I'm now sat at 55 miles an hour cruising along. To deactivate this, foot on the brake, and we're back to driving manually. If you want to take it into manual control on the gears, we've got the paddle shifters as well. So I'm currently in 7th gear, down into 6th and down into 5th, back up to 6th and back up to 7th. So as you can tell by my movements and the surroundings, there's no harsh movements, completely seamless, very smooth. This vehicle is a hybrid, so it comes with ultra low running costs. It's perfect for the city, but as well as long distance drives as well. Could happily drive 200, 300, 400 miles in this car and get out feeling fresh. I'm just going to take a left turn here at the roundabout as if you were here with us today. We have got the digital dash here, as well as an touchscreen infotainment system in the middle. with the control wheel. There's all sorts of functions here. Great to play around with, great to play your music out of, anything you could want from a car. Here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the past 3 or 4 years, as well as next day nationwide free deliveries for the past 1.5 years. So although COVID-19 has caused a lot of businesses huge problems, and still is, we feel like we're quite well prepared. Just slow down for this car here. So we have adapted our delivery slightly. We're now doing contactless delivery, which basically means it will sanitize the keys, will sanitize our hands, and we'll do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering. This is to ensure both your safety and their own. We are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, you'll see we've got way over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Auto Trader alone, and many more on other sites such as Car Gurus. If you look at these reviews, you'll see that our customers do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you will recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back when it's time to purchase your next car. We are also on social media. You can find us on Instagram and Facebook to keep up to date with all the latest stock and see what we're up to at RS Car Sales. I'm just about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll demonstrate an emergency stop as well as show you reverse. So I'll stop in 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the brakes work very well, very sharp. No unnecessary knocks, bangs, etc. the whole journey. And into reverse, we have got the front and rear parking sensors there as well. So this is usually where you'd be incredibly happy with a vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what deal you can get. Obviously that isn't possible at the moment due to the COVID-19 situation, but feel free to get in touch. Part exchanges are welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of that vehicle. If there's anything else I have missed in the photos, the online, the walkthrough video or the video test drive, feel free to get in touch and we'd be more than happy to do a FaceTime call with you, walk around the whole vehicle, answer any specific questions and just really show what the vehicle has to offer. But until then, that's all from me. I'll speak to you soon.